Hi. What happens when you go a complaint in the police station and FIR is registered, but the sections that are referred in the FIR are not relevant to your case, are not relevant to your complaint. In such an event, what is the remedy you have is what I am going to share with you right now. Generally speaking, whatever the allegations are there in the complaint, see, you have a grievance and you go to police station and file a complaint. And pursuant to filing of complaint, it is registered. And when it is registered, it is called FIR, First Information Report. And based on the allegations that are made, suppose if you make an allegation that X cheated you, then based on the allegation that you made, section 420 is brought into the FIR. Why the sections are brought into FIR? Because it gives a direction to the investigation. That is the purpose of bringing those sections. And now, based on these sections, investigation is done. And based on these investigations, and again in investigation, there could again be a confirmation that the complaint is correct or the complaint is wrong. If complaint is correct and investigation reveals still further offenses, then some more sections are added, and if the investigation reveals that the complaint is false, the existing sections are withdrawn. So it is all a part of giving direction to the investigation. The purpose of sections is not to punish you. The purpose of the sections is to give direction to the investigation. Now, once the sections are loaded into the charge sheet, now the sections, the complaint, the FIR copy, the charge sheet, all three documents are imposed or superimposed, I would say, by the magistrate, and he will examine whether charge sheet was filed or the investigation was done based on the FIR, or the FIR was done based on the complaint, and any sections are missing from complaint to FIR, and any sections are missing from FIR to charge sheet, and why this happens. These all three documents will be placed before the magistrate or the judge. The criminal court's judge is called the magistrate, and he will examine and he will again create sections. Then they are called charging. Then he will charge the sections. Then you will be charged. So it doesn't stop there. So if the sections are not as per the allegations of the complaint, then they will be taken care of at the stage of investigation, or they will be taken care of at the time of filing the charge sheet, or they will be taken care of at the time of examination, as examining the investigation by the magistrate, that is examining the charge sheet by the magistrate. Hope I am clear. So, but if you are still aggrieved, see, you can't direct police to investigate. Police investigates their own style and own methods. They are generally kept as secrets. Though they are not unknown to law, they are within the means of the law, but they are generally kept as secrets. Investigation is the whole and sole jurisdiction of the police in India. So it is their prerogative not to disclose the style and method of investigation, because it affects other future investigations also. It may also affect other investigations which are in progress and future investigations also, and law doesn't also compel the police to disclose their methods. They will only give the result in the investigation report. So now coming to the question, If the police are not incorporating the sections as per the complaint given by you in the FIR, the sections are not incorporated in the FIR based on the complaint given by you, you don't need to worry. You can file a protest petition in the court where the crime is registered or the crime is reported in the magistrate court, or you can also file a writ petition. But generally writ petition you will not get remedy, is my experience, is because it is still in the premature stage. But it will be a very good ground for bail if the proper sections are not brought into the FIR based on the complaint, or the different sections are brought into the FIR. Generally this is also being done to favor XYZ. So that will be a very good ground for obtaining bail or anticipatory bail. So hope I am clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I am Prasad. I am an advocate practicing most of my time for High Court of Hyderabad. And in my free time I create videos like this to provide legal help to whoever is in need of it, because legal help, as per my opinion, has become very expensive these days. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.